Stanley, I've got some myrrh here.
Yes.
It's a great smell on it anyway, isn't it? You know, what can you, I mean, I think there was a story about your sister. Was it Emily coming down?
Emily coming down the old Christmas Eve, I think.
6th of January.
Yeah. And that's when it sprouted. Yeah, even in snow, it would sprout on the 6th of January.
And so the tradition would be to come down and witness it sprouting.
Witness it sprouting, yes.
And there's a story about is it about the cows supposed to be bending down?
Oh, well, yeah, that's another story. That concerns a 3-year-old bullock. He used to go down on his knees, and I think it was that same night, and pray. And people would say, why? I don't believe you. There was no such thing as 3-year-old bullocks. They were all killed by then, but they weren't. They were kept as beasts of burden. And a lot of the work out here would be done by bullocks, pulling the implement at one time.